If you're looking to send bulk emails in TeamGate CRM, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that and explain how TeamGate CRM works so you can streamline your email campaigns and save time. By the end, you'll have a full understanding of this feature, and I'll also share a powerful alternative with better options for your email marketing goals, so stay tuned. First things first, sending bulk emails in TeamGate CRM is relatively straightforward. Start by logging into your account and navigate to the Contacts section. You'll see a list of all your leads and customers. From here, you can filter your contacts based on the criteria that are important for your campaign, like those in specific stages or customers who have opted in for your newsletter. Next thing, once your contacts are filtered, you can select the ones you want to target. TeamGate gives you the option to choose individual contacts or select all the contacts on that specific list. This makes it easy to create a custom group for your email blast. Then, head over to the Email tab. Here, you can craft your message using the built-in email editor. TeamGate CRM offers basic text formatting, but you won't find advanced design features like what you get in dedicated email marketing tools. However, it's useful for straightforward communication. After crafting your email, you can preview it and make sure everything looks perfect. You can also test it by sending a draft to yourself before hitting send. This is an important step because, let's face it, the last thing you want is a broken email or formatting errors going out to your clients. Now, the fourth thing to keep in mind, TeamGate CRM doesn't have robust automation options for bulk emails. Unlike other CRM software, you won't be able to set up advanced automations for follow-up emails or sequence-based campaigns. It's a basic setup, which works if you just need to send a one-time message to a large group. But here's the kicker. TeamGate's email features are solid for a CRM that's focused more on managing sales pipelines and customer relationships, but when it comes to running email campaigns at scale with automation or detailed reporting, it's limited. So, what should you do if you need more advanced features? That's where the alternatives come in. In just a minute, I'll tell you about a more comprehensive platform that can do all the things TeamGate CRM can't. But before we get there, one more point. Sending bulk emails in TeamGate CRM is a manual process. If you're looking for a hands-off, fully automated solution, TeamGate isn't the most efficient option for you. In conclusion, while TeamGate CRM can handle basic bulk emailing, it's not the best tool for email marketing campaigns, especially if you want advanced automation, analytics, or scalability. And that's where alternative software recommendation comes in. It's an email powerhouse with more features designed specifically for campaign management and automation. Before you go, I want to mention that through the link in the description, you can access an exclusive, extended free trial for TeamGate CRM, along with some amazing alternatives that offer more advanced email marketing capabilities. These tools are better suited to the goal of sending bulk emails and have their own free trials too. If you're ready to take your bulk emailing to the next level, check out the link below for the best deal, only available for our viewers. Thanks for watching and happy emailing!